Good morning. It's July 26, 6:06 a.m. We are going to explore North Gate Cyber Zone. So this is a commercial area. Maraming mga BPO dito, business process outsourcing companies. So may mga shift workers, and then may mga work at home. So sometimes yung mga work at home, minsan requirement, minsan voluntary. They can go to the office, one of the offices here. So that depends on the company. Alright, chill lang tayo, chill. It's 6:08. So walang masyadong tao kasi mostly mga shift workers. Shift niya is Monday to Friday. So technically Monday evening to Saturday morning, yun yung coverage ng mga shift. So although may mga iba na hindi Saturday, Sunday yung rest days. So yung mga nakikita natin on this early morning, mga nag-start ng 9 p.m. Sunday. So ito, mga palabas na sila 9 p.m. Saturday. So palabas na sila ng 9 a.m. Sunday. Alright. So this one, hindi naman masyadong traffic o hindi masyadong nadadaanan ng mga maraming sasakyan. So yung the bike lane is wide, hindi siya tinipid. So parang normal car lane. Usually sa iba kalahati lang tong bike lane na to yung green painted. Right. So up ahead is yung Fast Bites. Ito yung mga quick food. Kung ayaw ng mga employees sa cafeteria nila, sila sa Fast Bites, mga fast food, lunch, dinner, breakfast. Alright. So dito tayo sa kaliwa dahil mag-U-turn tayo doon sa dulo, sa corner ng Alabang Zapote Road. Dito tayo sa Spectrum Midway ba ito? Hindi. Later on, check natin ang name ng street na to. Bridgeway ba ito? Bridgeway. So let's try to do a U-turn. North Bridgeway ang pangalan ng street na to. So up ahead ng local hotel. On the right. So, andyan yung mga gatherings, mga awardings. Velvet. Turning right. Yung road na papuntang service road sa gilid ng expressway. West service road. Yan yung dulo. Pero hindi tayo pupunta dyan. We are going to explore the streets of Northgate Cyber Zone. So, last week na film or na video natin to, pero for some reason ang pangit ng settings, nabago yung settings ng camera, naka zoom, so maalog ako. Hindi ko na o dinilit ko na kagad, not fit for viewing. May hilo lang tayo dahil sobrang shaky. So lesson learned, kapag naka-zoom, ganun talaga. So siguro napindot ko yun nung accidentally may napindot akong settings, kaya nagkagad. Alright, so we came from Malacca Lane, Malacca, and then ano tong street na to? So fairly quiet dahil early morning pa lang. We are 10.1 kilometers into our ride. Time elapsed is 41 minutes. Indochina Drive. So, just a reference, this is still the Philippines. West Philippine Sea is still a jurisdiction, a territory of the Philippines, as well as other territories, Scarborough, Ayungin, Batanes, Palawan, Pag-asa. That's still a Philippine territory. Alright. It's a nice morning. We are going to take the left lane dahil we are going to turn left up ahead. So nalook natin yung Indochina, pero if I kalimutan ko, hindi ko mabasa. Late friends pa flash natin. So dito ulit tayo sa bike lane sa right. Tatapos tayo, diretso tayo. So North 8th Avenue, this one, runners, joggers, walkers. Pero usually pupunta sila sa Central Park or sa East Asia Avenue or East Asia Drive. Halos magkalapitan sila, parallel streets. So andun yung mga runners, joggers. Okay. So baliktad naman tayo. Balik tayo sa Indochina. Still Philippines po ito. Baka angkinin. Street yung name, street name. So turning right in Malacca. Ambon, pero ferry. Turning left. Turning left. Dito tayo sa left lane. Alright. Meron pa rin 5 lane dito. Alright. Alright. Thank you for riding with me. Thank you for watching. Ride safe all. Wear your helmet. May metal plates. Mahirap to kapag muulan, basa. It's going to be slippery. So huwag masanay na dyan dadaan. As much as possible, avoid metal plates. Dulas yun kapag nabasa. Alright. The corner up ahead, the corner with Alabang Zapote Road.